one. She hopping in and out of the bath, and it's apparent that I'm too buzzed to even get up. Where are her parents? Now it's 3 a.m. and we looking out on the city. Whether we make it to bed before dawn is looking iffy. She pass a hit of this, reacquire vice, talking shit about the people I hate, but I'm just like, now it's 6 a.m. and I'm looking out on the city, thinking I better stop drinking or I'ma turn into someone I don't wanna be. I mean, everyone is so happy and waking up drinking coffee. I'm coughing, thinking I wanna die. But now we back at some college, some alcoholic girls with collagen lips, TV, TMZ, they idolize, sniffing anything that fits, listening to Taylor Swift, working on their appearances as a 9 to 5. And we are the main event, but I can't even pay my rent. And they saw us on TV thinking we rich. It's sad cause I know that white girl make a nice girl act like a bitch. We making out, I can't even feel my mouth. I'ma ride this train till it's off the track. I'm taking out everything I'm mad about on this chick
while I hit it from the back. Black liquor drinking, jet black tub with the gold trim, and it's like 1:30. Black liquor drinking, jet black tub with the gold trim, and it's like 1:30. Black liquor drinking, jet black tub with the gold trim, and it's like 1:30. Black liquor drinking, jet black tub with the gold trim, and it's like 1:30.
Now it's 25 past, I'm dipping on the 80. The sun is starting to come up, the watercolor is navy. The party people are starting to be weary of the morning, but not me, not me, not me. I think I'm ready to keep going. Ooh, I lied. I ain't showing my face for knowing I'm free as the exhale. My ex bailed, I'm growing, I'm wondering what I will be when my brother will be filthy just for watching his older brother buy up a little realty. What about reality? I see the changes in the upper lip, still the same smile, but there's something deeper under it. Baggage in my underage, to me and my other grip. Toll booth till my city feels like a mothership. What is you thinking? You ain't thinking about a thing, just like the way it feels when it kicks. It's sad cause the heels on the high just so she can bring it low for the chicks. Cold as the snow like a ski bum, waiting in line for a lift. Oh yeah, I'll probably hit the slopes for a while and the dance party gigging with a twitch.
Black liquor drinking, jet black tub with the gold trim, and it's like 1:30. Black liquor drinking, jet black tub with the gold trim, and it's like 1:30. Black liquor drinking, jet black tub with the gold trim, and it's like 1:30. Black liquor drinking, jet black tub with the gold trim, and it's like 1:30.
I've been drinking hard liquor way past beer, gold, brown, black liquor way past clear. She pulled down my pants zipper way fast, weird. Driving drunk, I almost died this way last year, but maybe dying should be my last fear. What if a baby was crying and shed his last tear right before his mama got hit with this fucking Honda while holding it, and the baby just couldn't escape the crash clear? If that ever happens, I hope that they take the baby and his mommy and wrap their bodies in cashmere, carry him to a field of poppies and bury him softly in a diamond coffin that's blue aquarium glass clear. I hope they force me to stand still, drop a piano on my head, then an anvil, take my dead body to the back of a landfill and bury me underneath all the trash that they have